And I Thought About You by Rosanne L. Kurstedt, illustrated by Lisa Carletta Vietas. To all the working mothers who show their love in countless and immeasurable ways every day. And I thought about you. Nestled in a great big hug, you whisper in my ear,
"What did you do today, Mama?"
I woke up early, got ready for work, made coffee, blup, blup, and I thought about you. Sleeping peacefully in your bed, hugging your stuffed puppy and dreaming of bouncy balls and butterflies. I sat in traffic, heard horns honking, beep, beep, worried I'd be late. And I thought about you, scooping your milk-soaked cereal with your favorite purple spoon.